If it's one thing we gonna do, is live up this life right now. Shit is expensive. I had to go for a kid meal because it's like everything else is like almost 20 bucks. As much as I want to be smart, I also want to treat myself to certain things. Imagine, I've been living here all my life. This is like one of the main attractions, and I probably only ate here maybe twice, maybe 3 times my whole entire life. One time was free because I had an ex-boyfriend I used to work here. Shout outs to him. But so far so good. Your fries are like La Belle. If you guys know La Belle, you guys know La Belle. No.
Baby, take me all over the seas. Somewhere nobody can see us. Somewhere deeper than the sea. Mommy, can I pull over with friends, DJ and games? Can I put off my shirt and trousers?
Oh my god.
Social media right down here.
No, it's not. This is just my video. I'm gonna make a vlog, but don't worry, you're not in it. But know how you stay.
Social media.
Good Friday looking good. Watch how pretty and golden. Back over here rising. Good.
I try to make it like, you know, like how they do this big back home. Just make it like, and just put it, just drop it and make it look like crazy text here. It's not bloody good. You can't take a video on the pan.
No, but it looks really pretty. Look at it.
You can't look like the pan. The pan is the pan is dirty. You can't see the pan. And then they'll have to the video on top. You can't on the camera.
It smells like Grenada. Me and my busted up eye. Do you guys see this? No idea what the fuck that is. My nose is from my allergies. You know how it goes. Hair is in a bun. He's going for a walk. Because outside is so nice. Oh, it's so nice. It's like almost 7, I think. Sun's like about to set. But I said I still want to come outside and enjoy this 27 degrees that we're getting, because Lord knows when that's coming back again. So I'm gonna go for some bubble tea. It's been a while since I had bubble tea. I want to go look for a new book, and I also want to get some fruits, because lately I feel like I've been really like craving like a lot of juice and water and liquids, which to me tells me that I am dehydrated. So I'm gonna get some fruits, some grapes, watermelon and papaya. I'm also gonna get veggies, avocado, and then I'm gonna get some Krispy Kreme, because my sweet tooth is sweet tooting, okay? And yeah, so we're out in this beautiful weather, enjoying the sun. Let it hit. And yeah, I hope you guys checked out my video, you know, and yeah. They switched their bottles. It's longer, but I feel like it's less inside. They're trying to like economize but have us pay the same price. I don't know how I feel about that. But they think they're slick. But I can't. I'm always catch on. Shit. So as you can see, it's dark outside. And we did that walk. Listen, I saw so many buses and I was just like, do I take a shortcut? Do I take a shortcut and take the bus halfway? But that defeats the purpose of us going on a walk, right? So I took my lazy behind and my 2 legs that still can't work, thank God, and we did our walk. I did little groceries. There was some soap on sale. Instead of like being like $6 or $8 or like $3, and I was like, oh, mine's. It's one of the brands I use to wash my skin with. What else was on sale? I wanted to get something else, but I'll get it tomorrow because in the store, 2 of the stores I went to, it was like $8, and I was like, no, I see it online for 4 something. So yeah, we're gonna get it for 4 something. So we're gonna go tomorrow, please God. And then I went to Walmart, got me my grapes, got me my avocados, got me my tomatoes, and you'll tell me why I wanted some ginger, some fresh ginger. All of it was nasty. Like they looked weird, they looked stale, they looked, I don't know, but it didn't look too good at all. It didn't look good at all. So I'm just gonna leave you guys there. I'll get fresh ginger when I can. And then I went to the Chinese store in the plaza. As you guys know, Chinese store, Chin Chow. Y'all know Chin Chow. Y'all could talk shit, y'all don't have to talk shit. You know, there's pros and cons to everything. But I got me some noodles, Chinatown egg roll. She always gives you a deal, or always gives you a deal, whatever, when you go. So I got me that for soupe. Yeah. So it is what it is. Outside is still nice. I didn't really need my scarf, but knowing me, I always get cold really easily, so I still brought it just in case. And yeah, so talk to you guys later. You said one, so I'm gonna choose one. Which one? Cause like look,
You look like that, and I'll do facing us, okay?
Okay.
So then we have both versions.
Woo! Shit. What are we doing? Wait, it's like all. Wait, I need Lynn, okay? Where's she at? Where's she at? Yeah?
I got that photo.
Okay, Mateo.
Tells you what you are because of the one that chose.
That you chose?
Yeah.
What are you?
Okay, the flower. Beauty doesn't arrive in a day. You have to nurture.
At least you have a door. No house, but there's a door. This is trippy. Like, this looks so cool. You don't want to walk through it?
I already did my walk.
Come. I'm gonna guide you. Auntie Kenny will guide you. It's really freaking trippy. Y'all don't want to be high and drunk up in here.